This is the elevator at 509 South Highland Avenue in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. It's a nice 1960s, 1970s Otis with the halo black button fixtures. Go to 4 illuminating, also known as illuminating Lexan. Wow, this was a nice find. No Nixie indicator, sadly. Here's your certificate. The sign we all know. And we'll watch the button go out. This was a nice find. Whoa, makes a lot of shaft noises. You're at 4. Ooh. Pre-doors, nice. Go back down to 1. Ooh, LED, because it lights up brighter. It's a pretty basic cab for this era. See? Black trim, black doors, and your beautiful fixtures. Sadly, there's no indicator, but that's okay. I've never found one of these with the panel like this. I've only found ones with a panel like in this general area. Here we're back at 1. This is a beautiful elevator. Beautiful little elevator. Drop key. That. And there's the main entrance. There it goes. And that's it. Shaft lights on. Can't really see it.